Anything you do for the first time is always very exciting, and at the same time you are in a state of fear and confusion whether it meets your expectation or not. And this happened to me also, because I have never done online shopping of any real plants, and it was for the first time. So I am so eager to open this package. This package is slightly out of shape. Perhaps it is due to the mishandling during the transportation. Okay, let's see the condition of my plants. I think it is more than 1 year old. So let me see other plant. Okay. This is another plant. Oh, it is quite big. Oh, my plants are since very healthy and fine, and I am so happy. If you want to buy adenium plants from the same seller, so please check my description box. I have given the name of the seller and their contact number. Actually, I don't know anything, or I don't have any detailed information about this seller, because it is the first time for me, and my friend has suggested me why not to try this. By the way, sometimes we have to trust and believe in people. Thank you.